Grade 4 Module Slopes and Angles. Project 1 The Protractor. Have you ever seen Egyptian pyramids on television or in the movies? How big do you think a pyramid's? Each block they used was bigger than you. My next question is, have you ever thought about how the Egyptians made big structures in those days? What all tools would they have needed to build the pyramids? How do you think they measured this angle? Let's start with project 1, the protractor. Today you will build a model of a protractor and calibrate it so that it can be used to measure the angles in any object or figure. My question is, what are angles? Answer is, an angle can be defined as a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. Let's learn more about protractor. As you can see in the picture, a protractor is a tool for measuring angles. The most common type of protractor is a semicircle that allows you to measure angles from 0 degree to 180 degree. So this part is acute angle. The angles lies between this part is called acute angles. This part which is in center above 90 degree, that is right angle. This 90-degree angle is called right angle. After then that, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree are the obtuse angles. The straight angle is of 180 degree. Use of protractor. The protractor is an instrument used for measuring angles. There are so many types of angle. Acute angle, an angle that is less than 90 degree. Right angle, an angle that is exactly 90 degree. Obtuse angle, an angle that is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Straight angle, an angle that is exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle, an angle that is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Full angle, an angle that is exactly 360 degree, which completes the circle. That's why it is called complete angle also. Let's begin with the project. Here I am launching Kriya application, grade 4, module slopes and angles. Project 1. These are the materials that we require. This is angle block 15. This is cog wheel. This is building block 5 with 2 pins. This is building block 15 with bore. Angle girder 120. Building block 30. Clip adapter. Clip axial 180. Clip axial 75. There are two types of clip axial that we are going to use. Now going to the steps. In this project you will build a model of a protractor that can be used to measure the angles. Step number 1 is attach two angle girder 120 on each side of a building block 15 with bore. So here I have taken angle girder and this angle block 15 with bore. I am attaching it as shown in the picture. Moving to the next step, slide the two building block 30s on the angle girder 120 as shown in the image. So here I am attaching building block 30s. I need to see the orientation of the blocks. Next step is slide a building block 5 with 2 pins on top of the building block 15 with bore. So on this building block 15 with bore, let me adjust this. Okay, now it is okay. Here I am attaching building block 5 with 2 pins. Next step is attach an angle block 15 on top of the building block 30. So this is angle block 15 that we have to attach. So this way I am attaching it. Next step, pick 4 angle block 15 and 4 building block 30s. Attach an angle block 15 and a building block 30 alternately as shown in the picture. So we have to attach these things, these angle block and building blocks alternately. One angle block 15 and then building block 30. And repeat it on. So here I am attaching it alternately. So these angle blocks helps protractor to give the shape of circle, as you can see. Next step is slide a building block 30 to the above assembly. So here this part is done. Next step is slide an angle girder 120 between the building block 30 and the building block 15 with bore as shown in the picture. So here I need to attach angle girder 120. We'll fix it on building block 30. Using building block 30 and angle block 15, build the other half of the protractor. So here I'm making other half of the protractor. We just have to take care the orientation of the angles and the building blocks, how they have placed in the picture. So yes, this is almost ready. Next step is insert a clip axial 30 into the bore of the building block 15 with bore. Here I have to insert a clip axial 30 just like this. Next step is attach a cog wheel T10 narrow to one end of the clip. This is cog wheel that I need to attach. Okay, this is done. Next step is flip the model and add a clip adapter to the other end of the clip axial. So on the other end I have attached this clip adapter. Next step, slide a clip axial 180 to the clip adapter. This is clip axial 180 which I am sliding just like shown in the picture. Your protractor is now complete. Turn the cog wheel T10 narrow to move the clip axial 180. Now you will calibrate the protractor to measure the various angle. So with the help of this protractor you can measure the angles. You can use. Now let's understand how does this protractor work and types of angles. So it starts with 0 degree. As you all know, these angles are of 15 degrees each. This part is called acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. This is right angle, which is of 90 degree. This is obtuse angle, which is more than 90 but less than 180. This is straight angle. This is reflex angle more than 180 degree, and when it completes, it is a complete angle which is of 360 degree. Let's move to logbook question and answer. First question is, if you have noticed your model look like a half circle or a semicircle, what is the angle between the two horizontal angle girders 120 in your model? So these yellow parts are the angle girders. This is vertical, this angle girder is vertical, this one, and this is horizontal. We have to notice that what is the angle between the two horizontal angle girders. So which angle is there between the two horizontal angle girders? At this part. Yes, it is 90 degree angle between the two horizontal angle girders. Here I will tell you how to measure the angles. So this is my protractor and this is any object you can take. This is a corner of two arms, this one arm and the other arm. Where it meets, it is called vertex. That corner is called vertex. On the vertex point, we put this protractor like this, and we used to measure the angles. So it is of 90 degree. Logbook question and answers. Question 1 is, if you have noticed your model looks like a half circle or a semicircle, what is the angle between the two horizontal angle girders 120 in your model? Answer is 180 degree. Question 2 is, what do you think will be the angle between the horizontal angle girder 120 and the vertical angle girder 120 in your model? Answer is 90 degree. Question 3 is, what is the purpose of using the clip axial 180 in your model? Answer is, clip axial 180 helps to point out the degrees of angles. Question 4 is, write down the list of angle blocks that you have used for this build. How many did you use and what angles were they? Why do you think these many angle blocks were required? Answer is, we have used only angle block 15s. We have used 12 angle blocks and they were of 15 degree each. These angles helped in giving shape to the protractor. Question 5. Were you able to mark all the angles that you were supposed to use in your model? What was the most difficult part of your task? Yes, we were able to mark all the angles. Attaching angle blocks and building blocks together was the most difficult part. Question 6. Were there differences between the angles measured by your model and the standard protractor? Why do you think these differences exist? No differences as such. Question 7. Write down at least one advantage of your model protractor over a standard protractor. Answer is, we can easily measure the angles of big objects.